What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna take you guys with me to get a haircut because I need a haircut really bad, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Also, since I've had this car, NADIA, I never really pushed it too much to the limit, so today I want to try some donuts, so this should be fun. Let's go. Alright, so I'm on my way to the barber shop. I need a cut so badly. I look horrible. I need a cut so badly, man. Cut my hair. Can't wait to get a fresh cut. But yeah, man, I've just been going through a lot lately. It's super hectic, busy. I want to start like vlogging more stuff that's going on in my life. Like businesses and other stuff that I'm into, but I'm still like gonna be incorporating my car because that's like, you know, I love cars, I love real estate, you guys know that. So I think this should be cool, man. This would be really fun. I get to drive my dream car. Like, this is one of my dream cars right here, BMW E93 M3. Parked NADIA back there. Got my hoodie on because my hair is looking terrible right now. Can't wait to try doing donuts in the M3. Haven't really tried it before, so I'm excited. Alright, pulling up at my barber shop. Hopefully it's not too crowded and I got a spot. Damn, it's crowded. But oh well. My barber shop.
Eso es mentira, eso no escucho eso. Ella le dijo, ella se lo dijo a ella.
Alright, Gene.
What's up?
How are you?
Good, man.
Alright. Alright, man, just got my hair cut. I feel much better now. I look more clean, more fresh. So now I'm gonna go head out and pick up NADIA and have some fun with NADIA. Crazy story, on this exact street, I one time got hit by a car when I was 5 years old. Right over here. Me and my dad were coming from the daycare center and we got hit by a car right there when I was 5. So every time that I cross here, it like brings back those memories. New cut looking nice. Got a fresh cut now. I feel so much better now. There she is. Say what's up, NADIA. She said what's up, y'all. Alright, let's have some fun. I gotta find a spot where we can do these donuts. You hear that sound, man? Just growling in the garage. Woo! Beast. Meister Shaft exhaust for the win. Sound like a beast. Alright guys, so I'm out here about to try some donuts in the M3. Ever since I got the car, I never really pushed it too hard. I noticed out in California and in LA, they like to do donuts. In New York, it's mostly like burnouts. So today I'm gonna do some donuts in my M3. I'm a little bit nervous because it's like a tight parking spot or whatever. But yo, this would be cool. I'm excited to try this. I had to get out of there quick. It was getting sketch. Look like cops are about to show up, so let me get out of here as quick as possible. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give the donut another try. I'm at a different location. Let's see how this goes. finally did it. Finally completed the donut in my car after a number of tries. Man, now I definitely gotta get out of here because I made a lot of noise. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.